Hi guys, let's go ahead and do our next book. This one is called Don't Push the Button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe we should give the button just one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dotted. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book in your body to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch your tummy to get Larry back to normal. Scratch your belly. Let's get Larry back to normal. Whew, we tickled him. Okay, that's much better. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just one more. Oh, maybe not. The end. That was Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. He did the pictures and he wrote the book. I'll see you guys tomorrow.